All right, good morning, AP Computer Science students. Happy second semester. It is Monday, February 1st, and we are starting second semester today. The only real announcements I have about second semester is, we're just going to continue class where we were, finishing up part of chapter 6 on arrays. We got a little bit more to do on that. Then in second semester, basically, there will be no final test. You'll do a final project after we take the AP test, right? I think early May is when our test is. Um, so we'll focus on preparing for that. We are getting a little tight on days because of the pandemic and everything, so I might actually push for a later date for the AP test. I think there's an alternate date, but we'll have more information about that coming later, hopefully. I still don't know what the test is going to look like. Is it in person? Is it online? Is it a full test or is it modified? They haven't really said a lot about that yet, so I'll keep sending information as I learn about it. At any rate, for today, we're going to learn about something called binary and linear search, which is related to arrays. And it's kind of a little bit thing I had a hard time digitizing it a little bit here, but you'll see some lesson videos. Obviously, we'll go over this in live class. And then the homework is kind of, usually I had a worksheet with two sides. So I had a hard time kind of like splitting that up in on Schoology here. So you do a little worksheet part here and then answer some questions on this Schoology assignment too. And they'll go pretty fast, so it should be kind of short. But definitely check them out to help cement your understanding of binary and linear search. All right, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Glad to be back working with you.